How to change your iPhone name. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I will show you exactly how to change the name of your iPhone. This is the name people see when you AirDrop files, connect to Bluetooth, or share your hotspot. For this, first of all, open Settings app on your iPhone. Once you do so, scroll down and then tap on General. Now, once you tap on it, go to the About. After tapping on it, you will see your current iPhone name. Tap on Name, delete the current name and type in your new desired name. Once you're done, tap on Done on your keyboard and that's it. Your iPhone's name is now updated. From now on, when you connect to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or share files via AirDrop, this is the name people will see. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what you renamed your iPhone to.